Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices so the connection is reliable. Make sure the phone and PC share the same Wi-Fi network or plug via USB for a direct link. This reduces lag. Install the chosen mirroring tool on your PC and the companion app if required. On Android, enable developer options and turn on USB debugging. When prompted, grant the PC permission. Once done, open the desktop app and choose the connection type to start the handshaking process. Now you establish the link and tune settings for a smooth experience. If using Wi-Fi, scan the QR or enter the code shown on the PC app. With USB, accept the debug prompt and let the app detect the device. Once connected, adjust resolution and bitrate to balance clarity and responsiveness, and set orientation or full screen mode as you prefer. If audio matters, enable audio forwarding or pick play on PC so system sound routes correctly and you can hear notifications. Finish by confirming everything works and closing cleanly. Use the app's stop or disconnect control before unplugging USB to avoid data issues and save any unsent messages first. If performance lags, lower streaming resolution, switch from Wi-Fi to USB, or close heavy apps on the phone. This improves latency. If the PC doesn't detect your phone, reinstall the device drivers, reboot both devices, and toggle USB debugging once more. That single troubleshooting step fixes most connection failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.